like this, and I'm going to show you how to save documents in Microsoft Word and how to adjust text type and size and font, etc. So the first thing you want to do is take your mouse and go to the Word document, Word file, just double click it, and this should pop up. Just going to move this down here. Okay, and so let's begin typing. So the first thing I want to do is, let's just call this practice. So we're going to type practice, and whenever you want to make something bigger or change the font, you have to highlight it, go over here where you see 12 and say I want to make it big. So let's say I want to make it 20. So there you go, that's 20. And say I want to change the font. So right now it's Old Chancery, so I click it and there you go. So now it's changed. And if I need to make it bigger, I can go ahead and make it 72, let's say. So that's how you change font and size. Say I want to make this bold. So again, I highlight it just as I did, and then I go down here, and this stands for bold. So there you go. So now it's bolded. If I don't want it bolded, I can highlight it, go back to B for bold, and click it. Now it's back to normal. I can italicize it or not, and then I can underline it or not. The other things we can do is center it. So these right here represent the way the text will show on your page. So right now I just centered it, and if I want to flush it right, then I go like that. So if I want to flush it left, I go like that. So let's just keep it centered for now. And then something else I can show you how to do is, let's explore what layout looks like. So right now, this is 8.5 by 11, and it's in portrait form. So I just went to orientation and it's in portrait. But if I wanted to change it to landscape, I could. So I could just click landscape, and now you don't know if it doesn't look much different, but right now it's landscape, so it's the other way. If I want to change it back to portrait, go like that, and see, now you can tell. Okay, and margins, custom margins, usually it's just 1 inch from top, bottom, right, and left. That's standard, so we're just going to leave it like that. And say I wanted to add a header and page number. So here I went to document elements, just the next tab over. And let's see, so you see over here it says header and footer. So we're going to click header, and we want just the basic one. So it's like that. And I'm going to I'm going to delete those because I don't need them. So I'm just only going to use that one side. I'm going to put, let's say, a last name Sanchez, right? And proper MLA format would be I need a page number as well. So I'm going to click page number. Yes, I want it right alignment at the top of the page. Yes, show number on first page. Great. So I'm just going to click OK. So now I've got Sanchez 1, and that's the way I want it. So I'm going to press close, and if you take a look at this, I just moved to the second page and it automatically did it for me. So now Sanchez 2 appears here, and if I were to make a third page, Sanchez 3 would appear there. So that's proper MLA format. And last but not least, now I'm ready to save my document. So I will have to go to File, Save As. Just give it a second and it'll pop up. Okay, so now we're going to save it as practice doc, that's fine. I want to save it on the desktop because it'll be easy to find. And check everything looks good. I'm going to just click save. So now I've saved a document, and now I can exit. And so if I wanted to find my document again, I go over here, just double click it, and it should pop up. Okay, well, it didn't pop up, so I right-clicked it, on the document, and then I'm going to press open. Okay, so now it's open, so that's another way you can do it. And there's my document, right? I've got 3 pages, practice, Sanchez 1, Sanchez 2. So just whenever you want to change the font, you highlight the text, you go over here. Let's say I want to change it to Arial Black. There you go. If I want to bold it, it's already pretty bolded, but if I want to bold it even more, I go up here. If I want it italicized, I go here. If I want it underlined, I go here. And if I want a heading, well, let's say if I want orientation switch, I want landscape, I go to layout, landscape. Let's go back to portrait. Again, margins are right here. This is fairly normal. You want just 1-inch margins from all sides, so that's fine. And if you want to add a header or a page number, you go to Document Elements, this tab right here, Header and Footer. Start with the header. The basic is just fine. You can delete those because you don't need them. You're going to start on this side. You can put last name Sanchez, space, and then you're going to go to page number. That's all correct. There you go. Close it. Okay, and if you made any changes like I did and you want to save these changes, then all you have to go to is File, and you can go to Save. You don't have to go to Save As. The only time you go to Save As is if you want to save a document for the first time. But we've already named this practice, so all we have to do is now exit, and that's how you save a Word document. So I hope you found this helpful. Okay.